What if you could build an app and give it a clean, real web link in seconds? No coding, no setup, no random junk in the URL. Right now, everyone's out there building apps with AI, but their links look like a mess of random numbers and letters. Google just quietly fixed that and barely anyone's using it yet. Stick around because I'm going to show you exactly what changed and how you can use it today. I'm the AI voice clone of Fred. He runs an AI powered online course business and he makes videos on the latest AI news so you're always up to date. If you want to learn how Fred made over 5 grand in 48 hours, he's made a free course, link in description. You can also book a free one-to-one call with Fred or a member of the team and we'll give you a custom step-by-step roadmap for you to get to $10,000 a month and more using AI. Spots are limited. Okay, real quick, in case you've never touched this tool before. Google AI Studio is a free tool in your browser. You sign in with a normal Google account and you start building with the Google Gemini models right away. No install, nothing to set up. You type what you want in plain words and it builds it for you. People call this vibe coding. You describe the app, the AI writes the code, and you watch it come to life right on your screen. And over the last few months, Google's been packing more and more into it. You can build full apps, native Android apps, connect your Google Sheets and Drive, add a database, add logins, and publish your app straight to the web. Now, here's the part that used to be annoying and I mean genuinely annoying. When you built an app and hit publish, Google gave you an ugly random link. Something like a bunch of random numbers .run.app. Funny to look at, sure, but you can't send that to a client. You can't put that in your portfolio. It looks broken before anyone's even clicked on it. People don't trust a link like that. And that's exactly the problem Google just solved. On July 10th, Google AI Studio added free custom URLs for your apps. Now, when you publish, you can give your app a clean, personalized link under the AI Studio domain. So instead of that random mess, you get something like your app name.ai.studio. Simple, memorable, and it's completely free. This works on what Google calls the starter tier, where you can publish up to 2 apps for free using just your Google account. So even a total beginner can build an app today and walk away with a real professional looking link. Let me quickly explain how it actually fits together because this matters. Before this update, deploying an app meant setting up a whole Google Cloud project. That alone scared a lot of beginners off before they even got started. Now, with the starter tier, you skip all of that. The custom URL option just shows up right inside the publishing menu. You type the subdomain you want or use the one Google suggests and you publish. Done. One thing worth flagging though, these names are first come, first served, and they have to be unique across all of AI Studio. So the good, obvious names are getting grabbed fast. If there's a name you actually want for your app, I wouldn't sit on it. By the way, if you want to learn the exact system I've used to make over 5 grand in 48 hours using AI and online courses, I've made a 100% free course that shows you exactly how I did that step by step so you can just copy me. The link is in the description below. And if you want deeper guidance from me, you can also apply to book a free one-on-one call. On that call, I will give you a customized roadmap for you to start making money with an AI digital product. No previous experience needed. Spots fill up fast, so book yours now. All the links are in the description below. Now, here's where it gets kind of crazy when you think about it. This isn't just a cosmetic little upgrade. A clean link changes how people perceive what you built the second they see it. Think about it. If you send someone a link full of random numbers, they hesitate before clicking it. It looks sketchy. But if you send them something like emailverifier.ai.studio that looks like a real product, that looks like something a real company built. And that difference alone can be the reason someone actually trusts what you're showing them enough to click. So what used to separate a hobby project from something that looked professional was money and technical setup. Now it's one drop-down menu inside a free tool. Let me give you a few tips here so you don't trip over the same things beginners usually do. First, grab your name early. If you've already got a name in mind for your app, publish it and claim that name now, even if the app itself isn't finished or perfect yet. You can always improve the app later. You can't get the name back once someone else takes it. Second, watch your API key. This one's important. If your app uses a Gemini API key and you publish it as a public page, your visitors could end up using your key when they use your app. So if your app calls the API in the background, Be careful. Go set a spending cap so you're protected. Google added a monthly limit setting that checks roughly every 10 minutes and actually stops the API once you hit your cap. It's a real stop, not just a warning notification. Turn it on, that's your safety net. Third, start small and simple. This feature is great for quick apps, prototypes, a little tool, a landing page, a demo for a client. It's not really built for huge complex projects. So pick something small, get it live, and build up from there once you're comfortable. Fourth, remember you only get 2 free slots. The starter tier lets you publish 2 apps for free. So choose your 2 wisely or swap one out when you want to publish something new. And if you outgrow it later, you can upgrade with zero downtime. Your apps keep running and your links stay exactly the same, so nothing breaks when you scale. And fifth, use this to actually build trust. A clean link like your tool.ai.studio just looks more legitimate the moment someone sees it. When you send it to a client or post it online, people take it seriously right away. Don't skip claiming a good name just because you're not finished building it. So step back for a second and look at what this actually represents. A year ago, if you wanted an app with a real professional link, you needed to know how to set up cloud hosting, buy a domain, configure DNS settings, all of that technical stuff that scares people off before they even start. Now, all of that is a drop down menu inside a free tool that takes you seconds to use. That's not a small feature update. That's Google quietly removing another one of the last real excuses people had for not putting what they built out into the world. And here's the thing, updates like this are coming out of Google constantly right now, almost every single week. Most people are going to scroll right past this news and never even try it. But if you're someone who actually goes and builds something with this today, while barely anyone else is using it yet, you're going to be way ahead of where most people are sitting right now, still just watching videos about AI instead of actually using it. If you're serious about making money online with AI digital products, I made a 100% free course that shows you exactly how I do that, step by step, click by click, so you can just copy me. It's completely free and you can get it by clicking on the link in the description of this video. And if you want deeper guidance from me, you can also apply to book a free one-on-one call. On that call, I will give you a customized roadmap for you to start making money with an AI digital product. No previous experience needed. Spots fill up fast, so book yours now. All the links are in the description below this video.